Hi, I'm Brad Kuvin, editorial director of MetalForming magazine at the Precision Metal Forming Association. I am here at FABTECH in Chicago, and I am filming our 4 on the floor videos with some of the exhibitors here, talking about what's new and what's to come. So I am joined today by John Wallace at the Komatsu booth. So John, welcome.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks for being here. So we got 4 questions for you. We're going to start it off with the most important one probably, which is what new technology is Komatsu talking to the attendees of the show about this year at FABTECH?
So really it's one of those things that, believe it or not, we kind of tied in with the theme of FABTECH, talking about the future of manufacturing, right? The future of manufacturing is here. What is it, right? We're talking about the difference of what you can actually do. The possibilities, the things that we used to think were impossible to now being possible.
Okay.
So like we're demonstrating a live demo here that basically is doing a spline work. So we're actually making a spline on a part that would normally be a lathe machined type of a part. But instead we're showing how we can actually make it on the punch press in a one-step action in order to do it. Something that again was in the past not thought possible, but yet we've been able to develop it to get something possible. So it's talking about that future of manufacturing here.
Excellent. And that's been pretty well accepted here.
That is.
A lot of interest.
It's been a very good demo. We've had the part before just to show it, along with videos and that, but it kind of comes across a lot better when it's live. You see the looks on people's faces like, wow.
Yeah, good. And so the next question relates to what's going on in the market, which is there's the big buzz about automation, right? So
automation. Yeah.
So let's walk over. And
So automation is one of the biggest things. So what we do is we got a collaborative robot set up here. We're just transferring some small equipment, but again, it's showing that interaction, right? The ease of not only being able to program the robots, but also being able to interact with the press. A matter of a couple signals from the press to the robots, being able to help us to do that, and with that collaborative thinking, it keeps people outside of the hazardous area where the press is running, and yet you could be loading or unloading out here away from that safety hazard. So it's something that a lot of customers are looking into.
Sure.
To be able to not only help their staff, but also to look at not only speeding up, but the ability for the presses and the automation that they have.
Tell us about the unique kind of training service opportunities that Komatsu provides.
When we sell a press, we're not trying to just sell a press and move on to the next customer. Komatsu really looks at partnering with our customers, making that opportunity to make a relationship with the customer. So what we do is we offer free training basically for life of that press. If customers, we know that turnovers are happening, right? We want to be part of that investment for that customer. We want them not only to be using that press, but using it the right way and the best efficient way that they can do it. So Komatsu offers not only the service, but also the training help that we can go out and we'll offer free training to come out and retrain staff, whether it be 2 years after the purchase, 5 years after the purchase, 10 years after the purchase. We'll come out and we'll be able to help you to make sure you're running those machines the way that they're designed to run, and keep the customers running the way that they need to.
Wow, what a great service.
Yeah.
What do you want our audience to know about the history of Komatsu and the expertise that you bring into this market, to where you've been in this market for so long?
So one of the nice things about Komatsu, and I'm always proud of it, is the rich history of Komatsu. And it's funny that Komatsu's first machine they ever made, Komatsu, you think about bulldozers, you think about construction, right, all that stuff.
Right.
But the first machine they actually ever built was a press.
What?
It was a press that was made in order to make forklifts and bulldozers and all that. So it's kind of a nice turnaround with it. But one of the nice things that I love is here in Komatsu, here in the U.S., we have people that have been here over 30 years, 20, myself, I'm coming up to 30 years right now with Komatsu. It's truly been a benefit, and to not only know this, but also know our customers, to be able to interact and help our customers, see our customers grow.
That's great. All right. Thank you so much, Don.
Thank you so much.
Well done.